Hello, good morning, sir, and all co-participants. This is Sunita, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Degree College, Hydernagar. Today, my topic is Government Scheme for Women Entrepreneurs in India grow their small businesses. First, we have to discuss about introduction of entrepreneur. Who are the entrepreneur? Any entrepreneur is someone who is a risk taker and is ready to face challenges. Who are the women entrepreneur? It may be defined as women or group of women who initiate, organize, run a business enterprise. Government of India has defined women entrepreneur as owning and controlling an enterprise with a woman having a minimum financial interest of 51% of employment generated in the enterprise to women. What are the schemes provided by government for helping a women entrepreneur? Here are the different ways that women entrepreneurs are backed financially by various government schemes. India continues to see immensely successful women entrepreneurs that are the Indra Nooyi, Chanda Kochar, Ekta Kapoor being a few of them. Such women encourages other budding women entrepreneurs to turn their dream into a reality. However, a big part of the chasing your dreams of starting business, no matter how small, is capital. And as a way of encouraging such business, the Indian government offers a financial boost specially designed for women entrepreneurs. Here are some of the available government schemes for developing. Those are first one is Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Is started as a bank that focused on providing finance to underprivileged women who wanted to start their own business. It was merged with State Bank of India on March 31st, 2017. Uh, the privileges loans of up to rupees 20 crores are sanctioned for manufacturing enterprises under CGTMC. You can avail a collateral free loan up to rupees 1 crore. This loan must be repaid within 7 years. The base rate of interest on this loan 10.25% to which an additional 2% is added, making the rate of 12.25%. Next one, Annapurna scheme. If you want to have your own food catering business and need a financial leg up, this is a suitable scheme to consider. Uh, in this scheme, sanction loans of up to rupees 50,000. Collateral in the form of assets and guarantor are needed to avail this scheme. The loan must be repaid within 3 years. After the loan is sanctioned, you have a grace period of 1 month before you must start repaying the loan amount. Interest rates vary according to market rates. This is offered by Bharatiya Mahila Bank as well as State Bank of Mysore. Next to Sri Shakti, have you been a part of entrepreneurship development program? This pack could be what you need to give your business a boost. Loan of up to rupees 50 lakhs are sanctioned. If your loan amount exceeds rupees 2 lakhs, a concession of 0.50% on the rate of interest is offered. You must have 50% of ownership in the business for which you want to the loan offered by State Bank of Mysore. Next to Orient Mahila Vikas Yojana scheme. This government scheme for women entrepreneurs aim at providing ladies with the capital they require for starting small businesses. You must have a minimum of 51% of ownership in the business. You want a loan for a concession of 2% on the rate of interest is offered. You must repay the loan within 7 years. If your loan amount is below rupees 10 lakhs, a collateral is not needed. In case of small scale industries, up to an amount of rupees 25 lakhs, a collateral is not needed. The scheme was initiated by Oriental Bank of Commerce. Next, Dena Shakti scheme. This loan scheme for women is a situation for those who want to make a business out of manufacturing goods and agriculture work. In this, loans of rupees up to rupees 20 lakhs are sanctioned under the category of education, housing, and retailing trading. Next, under the category of microcredit, loans of up to rupees 50,000 are offered. You are offered a concession of 0.25% on the rate of interest. Next one, Udyogini scheme. The main advantages of the Udyogini scheme is low interest rates of on business loans. Loans of up to rupees 1 lakh are sanctioned given the woman availing the loan is aged between 18 and 45 years. Additionally, her family yearly income should be rupees 45,000 or less. No income limit exists for widowed and destitute or disabled women. For widowed, destitute or disabled women and women belonging to SC/ST category, a subsidy of 30% of the loan or rupees 10,000, whichever is less. For women belonging to the general category, a subsidy of 20% of the loan or rupees 7,500, whichever is lower, is provided. Punjab and Sindhu Bank started promoting this scheme, and many other banks, including Karnataka State Women Development Corporation, offer this loan today. Sant Kalyani scheme. This loan scheme is ideal for women who manage SMEs or is involved in agriculture work or engages in retailing trade. Loan of up to rupees 100 lakhs are sanctioned. No collateral guarantee are required. Another benefit of this scheme is that there is no processing fee. This was launched and is offered by Central Bank of India. Interest rates vary according to the market rates. Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme, launched and offered by Punjab National Bank. This loan aims to help women set up new projects. It mainly targets the small scale sector and promotes upgrading and modernization of existing projects. Loans of up to rupees 10 lakhs are sanctioned. These must be repaid within 10 years and include a moratorium period of maximum 5 years. Interest rates vary according to the market rates. This is the last one. Mudra Yojana scheme for women. This scheme aims at providing financial support to women entrepreneurs in India who want to open a daycare centers, beauty salon or similar small venture. Additionally, the scheme is especially beneficial to a group of women interested in opening a business. Loans starting from rupees 50,000 up to 50 lakhs are sanctioned. No collateral guarantee are required if the loan amount is less than 10 lakhs. Women must apply for a loan under Shishu Kishore Tarun Plan. Shishu Plan loan up to rupees 50,000. Kishore Plan range is rupees 50,000 to 5 lakhs, and Tarun Plan loan up to rupees 50 lakhs is sanctioned. Thank you, one and all.